In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to hide or remove repost on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find different icons. Click on this repost icon. Now here you're gonna find all the posts you have reposted. Now if you want to remove a repost completely, open the specific repost you want to delete. Now here you're gonna find this repost icon. Click on that. Once you just tap on it, it will be removed from your profile. You can head back and check. You can see that the selected repost has been removed from your profile. By following the same steps, you can easily remove other reposts as well. If you don't want to delete it permanently, you can also check three dots. If you find the option of archive, you can click on that. This will hide it instead of deleting it. If you could not find the option of archive, deleting is only option to remove it from your profile. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.